G'day, it's Fish the Beach Bum Investor. We have released wallet version 3.0.5 for PIVX, so I just wanted to show you all how to do the latest upgrade. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do whenever you're upgrading a wallet is to back up the important file, the wallet.dat file. So you're going to need one of these, USB stick, or an external storage device. Now, once you've plugged that in, it's pretty simple to back up your wallet.dat file. We're going to show you how to do that as step one, so here we go. Now the first thing is to enter your PIVX folder. So I'm just going to pull that up on my screen now. Now I've found my PIVX folder and I simply copy the wallet.dat file. Copy. And now I'm going to paste that over into that store and go USB that I've plugged into my laptop. And I'm going to paste it straight in there. You can see I've already backed up the PIVX files also, but now I'm just backing up that most recent wallet.dat file. Okay, so now that I've done that, I can remove that storage device and we'll head on to step two. Now, step two will be to actually close down your PIVX wallet. If your PIVX wallet is up in staking and you've got anything before version 3.0.5, you are going to need to close it down. So that's the important step two. So you just simply get to your wallet, hit the X button up here, and wait for that to shut down. You can see PIVX Core is shutting down, and that has now shut down. That being step two. Now step three is quite simple. I've got a link in the description of this video. Now you'll need to go to that link, and we're just going to go over here where I've got it up and running and ready. Okay, so this link has all the information on the latest wallet upgrade to PIVX Core version 3.0.5. What we do is we scroll down the page and you look for the operating system that you're using. Now, I'm using Windows. There's different wallets here for all the different operating systems, Linux and Windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the Windows 64 setup unsigned. That's the best one to use for people who are not completely computer savvy. So if you look here, I'm selecting PIVX 3.0.5 Win64 setup unsigned.exe. Just going to click on that. And it's going to download. You can just see it on the left hand corner here. It's happening quite quickly. There's only about 10 seconds left now. And when that's finished downloading, we simply open that up. Now it's asking, do we want to allow the unknown publisher to make changes from your device? So you just have to allow that through your firewalls. And you can see here we've got the setup wizard. We're just going to go next. And the destination folder is the same for where I always get it, C program files /PIVX. So I go next. And I also want it in the start menu as PIVX Core. So I go install. And we let that run through and install. Okay, now that's finished installing. You can see here it's completed. We just click next. And we're going to close the wizard and run the PIVX Core wallet. So that's what we're going to do now, finish. And that'll bring up our PIVX Core wallet in just a moment. And now that is going to take some time to load the block index and also resynchronize with the new chain. Okay, so now that your PIVX wallet has finished updating, you've got 3.0.5 ready to go. The next step is to actually check that you are on the right chain. So how we're going to do that, you can see here, important note, ZPIV transactions have been disabled in the previous wallet release. The new wallet release has them disabled using a spork, basically a signed message broadcast to the network from the development team. Since many nodes will not be updated yet and communicating this message before you stake, you will need to verify that typing spork show into the debug console results in spork 16 having a value of this here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All we do is go into our PIVX wallet. We go to Tools. We go to the debug console. And as the instructions suggest, we type in Spork Show, SPORK space SHOW. Now I've already done this once just to trial it. And you can see what happens here is we're looking for Spork 16 and we want to see 0 coin maintenance mode 151.01.79.528. Now let's just check that. And you can see here it's exactly the same. This is what we wanted to see. Now it goes on to say, now mine's worked perfectly first time. I didn't do anything other than the steps I've shown you in this video to get to this point. But if it doesn't work, if it has a value of this here, 40709088800, then your node has not received the message yet and will think ZPIV transactions are enabled and include them in any state blocks it has, which will be orphaned immediately by all other peers. If you are having trouble getting the correct value of Spork 16, try adding nodes to your PIVX.conf file that are protocol 70912. So there is a fix there if it doesn't go straight through, but fortunately for this computer idiot, mine worked perfectly upon downloading. Very, very simple. It does appear to be working, so I can go ahead now and unlock my wallet and start staking. Very, very quick and easy update that has provided a solution for the PIVX wallets. We certainly expect to see those PIVX wallets coming off